This is the Arrowhead Brass PK8006LK or loose key stem assembly for the Arrowhead Brass 450 series faucets. Now the PK8006 stem is for a 6-inch wall thickness faucets. So if we get this out of the packaging here, you can see that it will of course come with a complete stem assembly, as well as a little short list right here of installation instructions for the stem. When measuring these stems, so if you're looking for a replacement or you just want to know the total length of the stem that's in your faucet, you want to make sure you're measuring them from tip to tip. So as you can see this little gap here, you do want to make sure to measure from this tip to where the handle, or in this case the loose key, would mount to the end of the stem, to the opposite end. We'll get this laid out here and measure this one this way. So measuring from tip to tip, you can see this one measures right at about 10 inches. Move it up a little closer. So tip to tip, measure right below 10 inches. And once again, this is the Arrowhead Brass PK8006 loose key stem assembly.